好，而家翻嚟2024年 long quest 第一條啦。咁咧佢就話條題目就話有個 bottle of water 啦，咁就4度嘅，咁就 taken out from 呢個 refrigerator，咁啊放喺張台度，咁 room temperature 就30度。咁咧 part A 佢就問你 heat transfer 嘅 method from the surrounding to the bottle of water。咁咧非常簡單 ，conduction 或者 radiation 都得。咁點解唔可以 convection 咧？因為你吸咗個蓋喺度嘅，吸咗個蓋就冇 convection 嘅啦。好 ，Part B，explain whether wrapping the bottle with aluminium foil will speed up the rate increase。咁咧理論上應該唔會嘅，一個 aluminium foil 咧，即係理論上係一個 reflector of radiation 啦。理論上應該係反光嘅，reflect 翻啲 radiation 走嘅，所以咧佢個 rate of heat transfer 應該會降低咗嘅，所以咧 will not。咁因為咧，as 個 silvery surface of 你個 aluminium foil 咧，of the aluminium foil is a poor radiation absorber， 或者你可以講佢係一隻 good radiation reflector， 係啦，咁所以就唔會 speed up 到嘅。好啦，咁 Part C， 咁佢就話 after a period of time， 咁 water droplet 咧就 form 咗喺度啦。咁你有平時飲過汽水咧，喺雪櫃攞汽水出嚟都知啦。佢放一陣咧，成個罐面就出晒水噶啦嘛。咁咧佢就問你 what's the source of the water droplet？ 咁 water droplet 咧其實咧就係 water vapour 嚟嘅，空氣裡面嘅水蒸氣，水氣啦，唔係水蒸氣，係啦 water vapour 凝結咗落喺 condense 咗咯。好啦 ，Part Two，suppose 0.4 gram of water droplet collect on the surface of the bottle， 咁就問你個 latent heat release 係幾多啦？咁就 E 等於 mLV， 咁啊好簡單嘅啫，直接塞數字落去嘅。咁啊0.4 gram 啦，咁啊所以就0.4 gram 除翻1000啦，轉翻做 kg 嘅單位。咁啊 LV 2.26乘10嘅6次，咁啊撳機嘅啫呢度。0.4。計到咧，答案應該係904 Joule嚟嘅，咁記得俾單位咯，就係咁。